Russell.
Zoe, so how was the funeral? Marami bang nakapaglibing? Bingi ka ba? Narinig mo ba ang sinabi ko o nagbibingi-bingihan ka lang?
Tita, pwede ba? I don't have time for this. I just buried my mother. Respetuhin mo naman siya kahit ngayon lang.
You're a computer.
No, I am a computer named Smith.
No one likes a smartass.
What's up now? It's time for Empire Sunday House Wally Tree.
Respeto? My secretary was so dear to me died because of your mother. And who knows? Maybe because of you too.
Tita, ilang beses ko ba sasabihin sa'yo? Wala na akong alam sa mga plano ni Mami.
Of course you're gonna say that, Zoe. Kapag mo na rin si Moira. So hintay-hintay mo na lang yan sa'yo. Malamang parating na rin yung
Ang sama ng ugali. Hindi mo na ginala yung nanay ko kahit ngayon lang.
Bakit? Ano bang kagalang-galang kay Moira? Kung pwede lang ako magpa-party dahil patay na siya, gagawin ko.
O sige, magpa-party ka. Magpa-party ka. Sino ba nagsabi sa'yo bawal?
Why not? Siguro nga magpapaparty ako. We deserve
Ismon.
to celebrate.
Is.
After all the hardships and sorrows na
Ismon.
pinagdaanan namin because of your mother. Wait kayo. Balik kayo. Lumapit kayo. Kayo. Diyan. Balik kayo. Balik kayo. Makinig kayo mabuti. Magpapaparty ako dahil patay na si Moira. Imbitado kayong lahat. As for you, I will send you your invite only if you promise that you won't be a party pooper. Grabe ka.
Wala pang isang araw nakalibig yung mami ko, pero kung ano-anong kabastusan yung lumalabas dyan sa iyo. No point. Pinagtry-turan ka ng sentiment na lang. You know, my mom might be a lot of things. Pero minahal namin yung isa't isa. Can you say the same for you and Justine?
You don't even know anything about Justin and I. So don't even talk about my daughter.
Eh bakit ako? Bakit sabi ni mami, anong alam mo? Pag ikaw may sinasabi,